Today we're trying out the Sony WF-1000XM4.
Research complete.
Now that's a mouthful and it might get confusing with the other earbuds with similar name. This has noise cancelling and the packaging is okay. It's a little bit of a environmentally safe, so don't expect any Apple quality packaging or anything like that. Of course, comes with different earbud sizes and charging cables and everything you see here. Has some little smooth little buttons on there as well, which does pause, play, volume, etc. For this portion, I'm actually recording it from using the microphones into the ear itself. The sound quality is not that great for the microphone. And of course, you can push it onto your wireless charging pad and it'll start charging. They have some interesting software to ensure that the fitting is correct for your ear. So you do a couple of the software changes to let you know if the placement is correct or not, which is a little bit handy. Here's a lot of the different settings and options and what it looks like that you can do. There's quite a lot to play around with in terms of noise cancelling and environment. Overall, the software seemed a little bit buggy. For example, here, when I exited to a different app, this message would appear. I'd go back to the app, and that notification will appear again, and it would kind of come on and off, which felt a little bit buggy. The biggest problem though is when I'm eating or moving my cheek or moving around, the earbuds often fell out of place. I don't know if it's because of the weight or the positioning or the earbuds, but I had to constantly re-push it back in. Even though the sound quality was great and noise cancel was great, this constantly pushing it back in the end I couldn't recommend it just because it just would not stay in my ear. Hopefully it works out better for one of you all. Comment below if it did and you like these the best. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. Thank you very much. Bye.